Hi guys, how you doing? Composite Carlos. We specialise in composite garden areas, decking, pergolas and swim spas as well. So let me take you around this job. When we came here, it was a blank canvas. As you can see down here, this had to be raised up 300 mil to bring it up to the door threshold of the house. The reason we did this was for a smooth transition in and out of the house and onto the decked area. This is our Versalux range of composite decking. It's rubber wrapped around composite. All of the support posts which are holding up the subframe are put into concrete piles. And then we have composite posts leading to a 100 by 50 millimeter tannalized treated frame system, which the decking then goes on top of. Secret hidden fixings hold the decking in place. This particular job is out in the countryside, so rather than have all composite, we introduce a bit of heavy duty tannalized timber to mix up and give a nice contrast for the area. We don't want to overdo the composite. I mean, I love composite and I don't normally work with wood anymore, but I'm prepared to put a bit of chunky wood in to complement each project. The swim spa, we had to dig out the whole area, over 100 tons of excavation, and then we built a brick culvert all the way around the outside. And under here where we're standing, this platform, which is, it doubles up as access. There's an access panel here for you to get in here to service the jets and service the swim spa. This is an 8-person swim spa, and it's tidal. It's got a current, so you can swim and exercise without moving. So you swim, the water comes towards you, and you just stay in the middle exercising. We also finished off this project with a resin bond pathway just to edge the grass from the spa area, and we complemented that with some nice shrubbery and landscaped this. It's on the slope. We had to dig into the side of the building here. Not the side of the building, sorry, we had to dig into the landscape because it was a 1 meter fall. But as you can see, everything slopes carefully and nicely. Everything's precision build. If you look at this decking, there's no butt joints. Everything's a full board, and where we have to put in a black spine or a charcoal spine, we put those in, so we still use full boards. I don't like joins, you know, we like to keep things butting up to each board. Here we have, this is something that we've designed ourselves. We call it the Stonehenge seating area, and they've got a gas fire pit here. We find that the gas fire pits are better because they're instant and there's no ashes and there's no smoke. This is made out of sleepers, oak sleepers, sat up on end, and they're driven in and concreted in 500 mm into the ground. There's subtle lighting throughout this whole project. The subtle lighting, the jacuzzi and the gas fire and the jets and the sound system are all operated from your mobile phone. The smartphone operates this whole garden. So you can create the ambience that you want depending on the function or party you're having, whether it be kids or adults or everybody really. This is one of our best jobs. The client knew what they wanted. They asked us to have some input, and we collaborated to bring together a great area, a usable area for the kids, families, events, you name it, you can do it here. Also, we organised for the solar heating here. Now when the sun's out, they are negative off the grid. And if the sun's out long enough, they recreate a charge from the grid will pay you for the money that they take that you don't burn off and don't use. So this job literally has got everything. You've got the rain off here, the stone drainage down the side, so this is a big area to have water flowing, and so we made sure that we had plenty of rain off drainage. Porcelain slabs, we put the porcelain slabs in as well. We ran them right through and round the back of the house. Once again, the resin driveway literally finishes this garden off. Absolutely lovely. It doesn't get any better than that, to be fair. Okay, well, this is our first introductory video. I've got quite a few different projects and interesting things, or we've got some interesting projects and things that are going on at the moment. So look out if you want some information on composite decking gardens, or anything in the garden really, let us know, yeah? Take care, guys.